Hi everyone, welcome to week number 5 in the course. This week we're looking at a couple of different things. First thing you want to do is ensure that you print or save the weekly slide doc. As you go into the folder, again you're going to find a number of different activities for this week. The second one here is looking at the standards of practice that are part of our profession. What you want to do is use the attached document there to explore the CMTO website. The standards of practice will be part of the final exam, so you do want to have a look at that. Basically, the activity is when we just become familiar with the standards of practice and all that they entail. Next part is the discussions for week 5 and 6. So again, over the 2 weeks, from this week until October 13th, you want to post 2 times. And again, as per our first set of discussions, when you go in there, you'll find that there's a number of different threads available for you in terms of being able to kind of take part. So do have a look at that. And the third and final bit is to actually start to kind of think about getting together with a group of similar-minded folk around the group assignment. So the materials for the group assignment, as well as the directions, can be found in this folder. You have a number of different options, or there will be a number of different options of times and days to present. And I'll explain that further later on. But we're going to present online to each other using really easy software that anyone can use. Your task for this week and next is to find your group so that you can kind of come together around a common topic. You're going to actually work through some materials as well, so there's a contract that I'd like you to fill out. 30% of your mark for the group assignment comes from peer assessment, so do talk about mutual expectations and what you all expect to get out of the course itself. Or the assignment itself, rather. And once you have all that stuff together, someone can provide me with a copy of that contract. So again, I will be checking to see if there are people not in groups. What I am looking for is about 3 to 5 people per group. And again, if you have any questions at any time, please give me a shout, and I will get back to you as best as I can. Thanks very much.